Hello dear viewers, welcome to aminulchem innovation. In my previous videos, I explained various column adsorption models. These videos have been very popular. However, I could not fit nonlinear Adam-Bohart model, which has greater demand, and many viewers requested me to fit nonlinear Adam-Bohart model using Originpro. Today, I would like to show you how to fit nonlinear Adam-Bohart model using Originpro. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, Adam-Bohart model equation can be written as Ct by C naught equal to 1 divided by 1 plus exponential k z n naught divided by f minus k c naught t, where C naught is the initial concentration, Ct is the concentration at time t, k is the Adam-Bohart rate constant, z is the bed depth of the column, f is the linear velocity, and n naught is the saturation concentration. So if we let Ct by C naught equal to y, and if you take k common and let a equal to this and b equal to C naught, then finally you get y equal to 1 divided by 1 plus exponential k into a minus bx. It is an exponential function. So in order to fit, I have taken this data for column adsorption t versus Ct by C naught. If you plot, let us plot, you will get this equation. Now, in order to fit, go to analysis, then nonlinear curve fit default. Then category is exponential. Then you will select new and then write Adam-Bohart model. I have already written the Adam-Bohart model, so it will come here. I have already prepared this Adam-Bohart model. So how did I prepare it? If you click here, you will see how I have made this. So name is Adam-Bohart, then independent variable x, dependent variable y, and parameters k, a, and b. Then I have written the function y equal to 1 divided by 1 plus first bracket exponential bracket k star bracket a minus b star x 4 bracket. Then select evaluate, make it y equal to 0.5 as it is exponential function. Then go next, then go next. Then you can select values greater than 0. Then click on finish. See, it has come like this. Then click on first iteration and then see how it looks. Then click on fit until converts. Then click on OK. Then click on no. So see, these are the values of k, a, and b. Now, putting the value of k and b in previous equation, you can easily find out other parameters using Originpro, and after modification you can make it publication quality. So this is how you can easily fit Adam-Bohart column adsorption model using Originpro. If you do not understand anything, leave your comment in the comment box. I will also provide the reference of this model in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation, like, comment, share for new videos.